In this video we are going to discuss the chapter 1 of class 9 NCERT number system. So we are starting with the number system. So number system that has started from the 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is called as a natural number. Initially 0 was not included in the number system. That number system without 0 in a positive number. These are the positive number, natural number. It is called as a natural number, and it is represented by n. It is represented by n, and it is not included with the 0. So we call it as a natural number and also a positive number. No negative number is being included in the natural number. So when we are adding, after that the 0 was discovered and 0 was included in the natural number. When we are adding a 0 number to the natural number, it becomes the whole number. So it is a whole number when we start from the 0. So it is a 0 plus positive number. It is a 0 plus a positive number is called a whole number and denoted by W. So the third one, when we are starting with a negative number, 0 number and positive number, is called integer number. It is denoted by Z or I. So it is a negative number plus 0 plus positive number. So we have defined these all integer, natural number, whole number and integer number. Then we come to the rational number. So rational number, it can be represented in form of P by Q form. P by Q form, the P is a numerator and Q is a denominator, where P and Q are any integer. So here P and Q may be any integer from the integer number, and Q may be also any integer, but it should not be equal to 0. It should be non-zero. Denominator should be non-zero, then it will be called as a rational number, or it is a fractional number also. So in fractional number we have also studied the proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So rational number, what is the property of rational number? It can be represented in the decimal expansions by terminating. So decimal expansion can be terminating. It may be terminating expansion. So any rational number we can denote in a decimal expansion in form of a terminating expansion. So it is like for example 2 by 5. So if we divide the 2 with 5, then we got 0.40. So it is a terminating. After that we get the remainder 0. It is called as a terminating. Secondly, the rational number is of two kind. One is a terminating expansion, a decimal expansion or terminating, and second is a non-terminating, repeating, or we can say as a recurring also. So decimal expansion, when we are dividing, it is a recurring. So what we can say that here, we can say that 0.1234. So 3 4 will be repeating itself, repeating for a long time, infinite time it will be repeating. So we can denote this as a bar, 3 4 bar. So bar can be called as a 0.12343434. It will be continue till infinity. So it is a rational number can be represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0, and it can be represented in a decimal expansion either in a terminating way or non-terminating and repeating way. Second is the irrational number. Irrational number can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and also Q is not equal to 0, but here its decimal expansion are non-terminating and non-recurring or non-repeating. So here we divide a irrational number, then it comes to the decimal expansion will be non-terminating and non-repeating. It means its remainder will go on changing. It will not repeating. So these are called irrational number. All rational and irrational number combined is called as a real number. So real number, we have come up to the real number. So what is the real number? So a rational number and irrational number combined form is a real number. So there is a infinite number of irrational number between the two rational numbers. So if two rational number is there, if we want to denote the irrational number in between, then there are the infinite irrational number between these two. Now we will discuss about the exercise 1.1 question number 2. Question number, what is the question number 2? That find the rational number between 3 and 4. So we have to find the sixth rational number between 3 and 4. Rational number, it means it is in the form of p by q, and where p and q are the integer and q is not equal to 0. So first of all, it is having a sixth rational number. So here is a layman formula that if how many irrational number we want to add, so we have to add in this. So if we have to add 1 in the required rational number. If we want 6 rational number, then we have to add 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, it becomes to 7. Then we have to divide these 3 and 4 by the 7. So we can write 3 into 7 by 7, and 4 we can write as a 4 into 7 by 7. So these number become 7 3 are 21 by 7, and this become as a 28 by 7. So if we calculate this 21, we will proceed with the 21. After 21 by 7, 22 by 7 it will come, then 23 by 7 it will come, 24 by 7 it will come, and 25 by 7 it will come, and 26 by 7 it will come, and 27 by 7 it will come. So we got the required sixth number of a rational number between the 3 and 4. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is 5, and this is the 6. So we got the required. So what is the process? That whenever there is we want to find any number of rational number between the two rational number, then the number of required number, what is the number required? We have to add 1. If 6 rational number we have to find, then we have to add 1 to the 6, it becomes 7. So we can divide and divide, we can multiply and divide the required number by the required number, that is the 3 multiply 7 divided by 7, and 4 multiply by 7 by 7, so it becomes 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So then we can just in ascending way we can write the required number. Similar way we have this next question number 3. In question number 3, 5 rational number is required between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So 5 rational number is required. So we, whatever our denominator or the multiplier is a 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, it means we have to multiply these number by 6. So what we will get required by multiplying 6. So we will get 3 multiply 6 and 5 multiply by 6 and 4 multiply by 6 and 5 multiply 6. So we will get 3 multiplying 3 with the 6, we will get 18 by 30, and here we will get 24 by 30. So now we can start with the ascending number of fractional number. So we can say 18, after 18 it will come 19 by 30, then 20 by 30, then 21 by 30, and then 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So we got the required number of rational number in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the simple method that we can find out the in between rational number between any rational number in between the rational number between the two required number of rational number. Now we can start with the exercise number 3. So how we can, that decimal expansion, we can find out the decimal expansion of these 3 rational number. This is the example number 5 of NCERT book. So we can first find out there are 3 types of rational number are given 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. So we have to find the decimal expansion. For the decimal expansion, the required number will be divided by the denominator. So first we will take the 10 by 3. 10 by 3. In 10 by 3 what we will do? We will write a 10 in the dividend and then divisor is a 3. So we can divide 10 by 3, then we just start with the table. So it will come with the 9. 3 3 are 9, so it will 9. Then we will subtract -1, then it will come to the 1. Again it will come to the, this is a point, then point 0. Again we start with the 0, then it will be 3. So again it will go with the 9. Again it will come. Then again we have to 1, and then again it will come to the 9, and it will be 1. Again it will. So it will be continue 3 3 3. So what will be the answer of this one? This decimal 10 by 3 is a decimal of 3.3333. It will go on. This is just a decimal expansion of 10 by 3, the 3.333, it is a non-terminating repeating. This decimal is called as a decimal expansion of non-terminating, repeating or recurring, we can say, non-terminating and repeating expansion. So here 3 is being repeating, so the repeating number we can write with the bar. So we can write it is a 3.3 bar. It is a 3.3 bar, we can write it. Okay. Now second number. Second number is, what is second number? Is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. We have to divide 7 with 8. So 8. 7, 8 is more, 8 is bigger than 7. So we have to add with a 0 number, and we have to point 0. We have to write it. Now we have to divide with this 8 into 70. So it will go with the 8. So 64 it will come. So 64. Then after 64 it will come to the again 6 is 6 and is 0. Okay. This will subtract, then it will come. Then again we have to 7. 8 7 56. It will come to 56. 56. Okay. So 56 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. So it will come again. It will come to the 4. Then we have to write 4 0. Then 8 4 ja 32. Then we have to subtract it. Then it will come to the 80. It will come. Then it will come to the 72. 72. So it is not repeating. This decimal is coming with the number. This is called as a, this is 7 by 8 is a 0.874747. So it is a non-terminating. It is a 7 8 it is 8. It is 8 come 8 and then 0. So 8 for 5 0 5 I think 8 5 ja 8 5 ja 40. Then it comes to 0. So 8 5 ja it is. So it is a terminating expansion. So it comes as a 0.875. It means it is a terminating expansion. It is a terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. So this is a rational number. This is also a rational number. Now third number we will try. 1 by 7. So we have to divide 7 with 1. So it is not going. Then we will start with 10. Then 7. Then we subtract 3 0. Then this is 1 and then 4. So it will come to the 28. Then it will be distracted 2 0 21. Then again it will come to 7 to the 14. 14, then it will come to the 6 0, so it will also right, 54, 56, it will come. So again it will come so it will come as a 1 by 7 equal to 0.1428 7. So it is a non-terminating, non-repeating. So this is called as a irrational number. Irrational number. So we got here three types of number is there. First is a non-terminating repeating, second is a terminating expansion, and third is a non-terminating non-repeating. So we got the three types of number. The number which can be expressed in the decimal expansion with non-terminating repeating is called as a rational number. Then the terminating expansion is also called a rational number, and non-terminating non-repeating is called as a irrational number. So we got the three types of number. Now we have to denote this decimal expansion in the form of a p by q form. So we have to show this is example number 7 of chapter 1. So we can say that what is the example? So that 0.3333 equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in form of p by q. So we have to express this 0.333 in form of p by q form. How much answer will be coming? So what we will do? Let us consider that. Let's consider x equal to 0.3333. Okay. So now we can multiply 10 both sides. Then what we will get, this is the equation number 1. So we will get a 10x equal to 3.33333, equation number 2. Now we have to subtract equation number 1 from the equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what we will get, 10x minus x equal to 3.3333 minus 0.3333. So it will come to be 10 minus x equal to 9x equal to 3. So what we will get, x equal to 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. So what is the decimal expansion? Decimal representation of 0.333 is a 1 by 3. 1 by 3. It is okay. Now second question. Second question shows that 0.1.272727 can be expressed in form of p by q form, where p and q are of integer and q is not equal to 0. So here also we can say that let x equal to 1.272727. We can, so here also 27 is there, so 2, wherever 2 bar is there, so we have to multiply with the, if 1 bar is there, 1 number barring is there, 1 number is repeating, then we have to multiply by 10. If 2 number is repeating, then we have to multiply by 100. So here we will do that, multiply 100 both sides. So what will happen, that 100x equal to 100 into 1.272727. So what we will get, 100x equal to 127 into 272727. This is equation number 1 we can call, this is equation number 2. Again we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what we will get, that 100x minus x equal to 127.272727 minus 1.272727, we can say. Okay, so we will get 99x equal to 126. So here we can say x equal to 126 by 99. So we can just divide both the shortcut by dividing 3 both sides. So here we can divide with 3, then it will come 3 4 ja and 3 2 ja, it will come 3 3 ja 19. So we can say 42 by 33. It will be a fractional or the p by q in the form of p by q. The answer of this 1.27 bar we got in the form of p by q as a 42 by 32. Okay, now third question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is that so that this can be expressed in form of p by q, where p and q are the integer and q is not equal to 0. Here also what we can say, we can write as a this is x equal to 0.23535335. Okay, so here also what is the 2 bar is there written here, but here what is there, that 2 is also there, so we have to multiply it by the 1000. Multiply it by the 1000. So what will happen, the multiply by 1000 both sides. So what will we get, that 100x 1000x equal to 3535. It will get to so this will get question number 1, equation number 2. So what we will get, by subtracting these two, we will get 0 1 2 3 3 5 3 5 1 2 3 3 5. So here also 10 multiply by 10. So today we will discuss in the next video. Okay.